absent today and was absent yesterday. Oh, we should visit her.
دايما تسأل على اصحابك وتطمئن عليهم.
رهيب، انا نجحت، جبت الدرجة النهائية، مش تبارك لي يا عم.
يا عم ده امتحان سهل، اي حد يقدر يجيب فيه الدرجة النهائية.
Share his happiness and sadness.
Share his happiness and sadness.
بابا انا مش عايزه اروح جدو، عايزه اروح النادي. خلاص روحوا انتوا، انا مش رايحه. انا قلت لكم قبل كده انا مش قادره اعمل اي حاجه، انا تعبانه.
Yes, you are polite and we want you to be more polite.
Don't argue with your parents. You can't discuss with them politely. Okay, Dad, I will do it now. Never shout at your parents.
Our dad! Judy, our dad!
I know.
You know?
Meet your parents at the door.
That's enough. I have to go now. I must help my mom.
But she didn't call you. She doesn't need your help.
Be always close to her. Help your mom even if she doesn't want your help. Judy! Okay, Mom, I will help you with housework. With pleasure, Mom. Obey your parents.
Oh, wonderful. It's a nice flower. For whom?
Of course, for my mother. This simple flower makes your mom very happy. Kiss your mom's hands every day. You must be grateful to her.
Don't forget, like, share and subscribe.